In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Flow plugin in Adobe After Effects. Flow is a popular graph editor extension that makes easing and animation curves faster and more intuitive. And in just a few minutes you will have it installed and ready to use. Start with the plugin file you downloaded. It usually comes as a .zxp or a .zip. If yours is a .zxp, right-click the file, choose Rename, and change the extension from .zxp to .zip. If it's already a .zip, you are good to go. A quick tip: if you don't see file extensions, you may need to enable showing extensions in your system settings before you can rename it. Once you have a .zip, extract it. Unzipping will reveal the final Flow folder you will actually install. Before moving anything, make sure After Effects is completely closed. This prevents file locks and ensures the extension registers correctly the next time you open the app. Now open File Explorer and go to your C drive. Navigate to Program Files, x86, then Common Files, then Adobe, then CEP, and finally Extensions. This Extensions folder is where After Effects looks for CEP-based panels like Flow. If Windows asks for permission to proceed when you paste files here, just confirm. That's normal for writing to program files. Paste the extracted Flow folder directly inside the Extensions folder. You should see the Flow folder sitting alongside any other extensions you might have. That's the core installation done. Next, let's enable the necessary settings inside After Effects. Launch After Effects. Then go to Edit, Preferences, General. From there, open Scripting and Expressions. Make sure the option labeled Allow Scripts to Write Files and Access Network is checked. Then click OK. This permission lets extensions like Flow save settings, read presets, and communicate as needed. Without it, the panel may appear but won't function properly. To open the plugin, head to the top menu. Click Window, then Extensions, and select Flow from the drop-down. The Flow graph panel will pop up on your screen and is ready to use. If you don't see it listed, double-check that the Flow folder is in the CEP extensions path and that the scripting permission is enabled. Then relaunch After Effects. That's it. Thanks for watching.